What if I told you that you don't need a fancy website, expensive paid ads, or even a physical storefront to get your first 1,000 bakery customers? All you need is Instagram and the right strategy, because in 2026, the bakeries winning online aren't the biggest ones, they're the smartest ones. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear step-by-step roadmap to make it happen. Why Instagram in 2026? Let's start with the why. A whopping 91% of consumers look at internet reviews and browse online before making a purchase, and bakeries are no different. The majority of customers today find a bakery online before ever visiting in person. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Your potential customer is spending 3 to 4 hours a day scrolling on their phone. If you are not showing up during those hours, you simply don't exist to them. There could be 500 people within just a few miles of your kitchen who have never heard of you simply because you are not visible enough online. Instagram fixes that, and it costs you nothing to start. Set up your profile the right way. Before you post anything, your profile needs to be set up correctly. This is the step most bakery owners skip. Switch to a professional account. Your bio should clearly say what you sell, where you're located, and how to order. Add a clickable link, a WhatsApp number, an order form, or a simple link in bio page. Post customer testimonials in your highlights section so that anyone who visits your profile for the first time immediately sees real proof that your products are worth buying. Think of your Instagram profile as your digital storefront. If it looks empty or unprofessional, people will scroll right past you without a second thought. The content formula that works. Now let's talk content, because this is where most bakery owners get it completely wrong. They post a single photo of a croissant with fresh batch ready and wonder why nobody's ordering. Here's what actually works. Use your social media platforms to showcase not just your products, but also your unique story and values. Share insights into your baking process, introduce your team, and highlight the craftsmanship behind each creation using Instagram stories or short behind-the-scenes clips. Mix up your content types. Share step-by-step recipe demos, showcase your finished products, offer baking tips and tricks, and give a genuine glimpse into the behind-the-scenes process. Use Instagram's poll and question and answer features and stories to stay engaged with your audience and answer their questions directly. And Reels are your single biggest growth tool right now. Use Instagram Reels to create short, engaging videos showcasing your baking process, customer interactions, or seasonal specials. A satisfying frosting video or a morning in my bakery clip can reach thousands of people who have never heard of your business, completely for free. Aim for 3 to 4 posts per week. Consistency beats perfection every single time. Hashtags, geotags, and the local advantage. You can post great content and still be invisible if nobody can find you. That's where hashtags and geotags come in. Mix broad hashtags like hashtag home bakery or hashtag custom cakes with hyper-local ones like hashtag your city bakery or hashtag your city food. Tag your location on every single post. People actively search for food businesses near them every single day. Identify local food enthusiasts and influencers who have a strong presence on Instagram. When they post about their experience with your products, it creates a ripple effect, encouraging their followers to try your offerings. This word-of-mouth marketing is invaluable for building a local customer base. Don't underestimate the power of a single local shout-out. One post from the right person in your city can bring in more orders than a week of regular posting. Turn followers into paying customers. Getting followers is one thing. Converting them into paying customers is a completely different game. Here's how to do it. First, use social commerce. Use shoppable posts featuring behind-the-scenes baking videos or influencer collaborations, enabling followers to buy your featured products directly without ever leaving Instagram. The fewer steps between seeing your product and buying it, the better. Second, respond to everyone. When you respond to comments quickly, within the first hour of posting, Instagram's algorithm pushes your post to the top of more people's home feeds. A simple reply to a compliment can be the difference between 50 views and 5,000. Third, run interactive campaigns, host polls, contests, and bake-along videos. Encourage followers to share their baking experiences, vote for their favorite new flavor, or submit photos of orders they received. This kind of engagement builds a community around your brand, not just a following. And fourth, create urgency with stories. Post only 6 boxes left today or limited edition weekend special to drive immediate action. People respond to scarcity. Tap into trending products to boost engagement. Here's a bonus strategy most bakery owners completely overlook. Align your content with what's already trending. Sourdough is back on top in 2026, with 58% of consumers believing it makes bread healthier and 70% saying it enhances flavor. Searches around contrasting textures, crisp shells, gooey fillings, soft crumbs are forecast to grow 19% this year. Industry experts have also identified protein-rich and fiber-packed baked goods, plant-based options, and gut health-focused items as the biggest bakery trends of 2026, and unique flavors and textures are regularly going viral on Instagram and TikTok. Creating content around these trending products means Instagram's algorithm is already working in your favor before you even hit post. The consistency rule. Here's the most important thing I can tell you. None of this works if you post for 2 weeks and then disappear. The first week will feel strange. Things are going live and you might not see results immediately, but your consistent presence on Instagram is increasing your visibility and directly strengthening your brand recall with every single post. Consistency is more important than perfection. A decent photo posted regularly beats a perfect photo posted once a month every single time. The bakeries that win on Instagram are not the ones with the fanciest cameras. They are the ones that show up every week without fail. Your first 1,000 customers are already out there. They just haven't found you yet. So there you have it. Your complete 2026 roadmap to getting your first 1,000 bakery customers using nothing but Instagram. Set up your profile properly, post with purpose, use reels, engage with your audience, run promotions, and tap into what's trending. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's your bakery's specialty? We'd love to know. See you in the next one.